In this video, we will talk about how to check graphics card in Windows 11. Method 1. Task Manager. Right-click on Taskbar. Select Task Manager. Click on Performance tab. On the left panel, look for GPU 0, GPU 1. You will see the GPU name and real-time usage information. Method 2. DirectX Diagnostic Tool. Right-click on Windows icon. Select Run. Type DXDIAG and press Enter. Click on Yes if you see a Yes prompt. Now click Display tab. Look for Name under Device. That's your graphics card. So that's how you can check graphics card in Windows 11. See you in the next video.